Hi guys, today is December 31st, 2020, and this is the last trading day of the year. Happy New Year, everyone, and hopefully we'll have a profitable next year. And futures right now pointing to a lower, actually flat open, as initial jobless claims, weekly jobless claims showed an unexpected drop. And I don't know. I mean, people are just not there, and many people are on vacation. And but at the same time, a lot of money managers are still loading up on winners, and to show their basically investors that they have winners in their portfolios, such as like Tesla, Apple, and other stocks. So I don't want to go through every stock right now. I just want to do an overview of the stocks in some of the industries, some of the leaders, and wrap up the year basically. So let's start with SPY, ETF for S&P 500. SPY had a pretty good year actually. Has risen like close to 10%, I believe, and Dow Industrial went up like 6.3%, and QQQ, which is the Nasdaq loaded with technology stocks, went up like 43% as people loaded up on technology stocks this year. And will it continue? Probably will continue. And right now, people are loading on stocks like I mentioned, Tesla. And Tesla was a big winner this year, and it's closing on $700. And some people are asking me what returns Tesla will show next year. Who knows? But right now, a lot of managers, private companies, and hedge fund managers loading up on Tesla last day of the year to show their investors, like I mentioned, that they own Tesla. Okay, so I'm not sure. Will it sell off after that? I don't know, but it looks like to me that it's going higher. And will it have returns as this year? Again, I don't know, but I can see Tesla going up as high as $1,000, but it's not going to be returns like 900% like it was this year. So I don't expect those returns. Okay, a lot of EV stocks did really well, like Chinese EV stocks like NIO. Tremendous return. I mean, NIO was trading. I remember this year it was trading close to $3, maybe even less, and went up and ending up like around $50. That's unbelievable return. Stocks like XPEV, Li Auto, and those EV Chinese stocks went up a lot, but lately they've been struggling because the valuations are really truly matter, and they've been struggling with those valuation heights. So I am still bullish on Tesla. I actually like NIO, but other Chinese stocks are. I'm not sure, but they can still come up. But I don't expect like huge returns like it was in 2020, actually. So other sector that I liked this year was semiconductors, and semiconductors went up like stocks like MU, Micron, and I expect Micron to go higher. Actually, it had a big pullback, but I think it will continue to go higher. LRCX, which is Lam Research, is a huge winner this year. It was trading like back in March, it was trading around $180. It's like close to $500. That's unbelievable. And of course, Nvidia. I have to mention Nvidia. Nvidia is my pick of the year for 2021 because the fact is that Nvidia is acquiring ARM Holdings, is a huge semiconductor company based in UK, and if they were successful to acquire this company, this stock can actually double. So I like Nvidia if they can acquire ARM Holdings, if they can close this acquisition. Okay, Apple was a huge winner this year as well, and they were going higher. From the low of $53, and pretty much 2.5 times that price. Right now, it's trading around $134, and it may actually still go higher to over $150, $160 in a new year. So these companies will continue to perform, but in general, right now, people are loading up on winners. And don't forget one thing: the Georgia runoff election. So if Democrats take the Senate, that may trigger a reaction, like knee-jerk reaction, and we could see the sell-off in some of the stocks, like especially banks and some of the technology stocks, and there could be a big pullback. But as you know, Democrats are very high on environmental protection issues, and stocks like Tesla, EV stocks, and especially solar stocks may be winners under Democrats if that happens. Okay, so stocks like CSIQ and that went up a lot, and the SPWR, that's solar winners this year, and run. Okay, these stocks could actually run more. Okay, and I would load up on these stocks because they will do well whether the Democrats will win the Senate or not. So these stocks will be doing well. Okay, especially I'm very bullish on airline stocks and Boeing, even though I've heard that the U.S. regulators slapped tariffs on aircraft parts in Europe, and that could create tension because Europe can slap tariffs on aircraft parts from US. But in general, I'm very bullish on Boeing and airline stocks because well, airline stocks like such as LUV, especially Southwest Airlines, because the upcoming vaccination could help airline stocks. They have a lot of help coming from the stimulus package, and also they're buying Boeing 737 Max on penny on the dollar, and they can save like 20% on fuel on that newer aircraft. So airlines are in a sweet spot right now, and I'm bullish on them. I also kind of bullish on like on cruise stocks like CCL, cruise line stocks, and CCL, RCL, and Norwegian. These stocks can also benefit from the upcoming vaccination, and they may actually go higher. So I like them. Retail stocks. I don't know if I'm very bullish on retail stocks like Macy's and Nordstrom and others. But they look like they want to go higher based on upcoming vaccination, and it could be an interesting buy, a speculative buy, but an interesting buy in my opinion. So overall, a good year, but I'm not expecting a huge year from the market in 2021. But in general, the winners will perform again, I expect. But I also expect a pullback. Like at the end of January, maybe February on the stock market, maybe 10 to 15%, because well, first of all, there are a lot of unknowns. For February, end of January is traditionally bad months for the stock market, and runoff election in Georgia can trigger a knee-jerk reaction for some of the stocks. So, a good year. I would load up still on winners, and especially alternative energy stocks, but be careful because the whole thing can sell off very quickly. Okay, so thank you again for watching my channel, and if you want to see my trades on pretty much everyday basis, you can check out Patreon link in the description of this video. But Happy New Year, everyone, and I hope we'll make more money next year.